Ayan, sabay-sabay po natin kantahan si Adi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ayan, syempre. Isang mas malakas at mas masaya. Bago i-blow ni Adi ang kanyang candle, pwede po ba natin batiin muna si Adi ng happy birthday? Sabay-sabay po tayo. And the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Adi! Yan, syempre mami, daddy, and lola. Tulungan na natin si Adi mag-candle blowing. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Hello! Yeah! Yan, syempre family picture muna po. Di ba ito na siya, Jollibee? Wow, one the one. Wow! Ayan, maraming salamat. And nandiyan din po ba yung mga tito and tina? Special na bisita na walang iba na may malalaking mata, bibig na laging nakatawa, lakad ay kakaiba, kung may kembot pa. Kids, kilala niyo ba kung sino bisita natin ngayon? Sino siya? Yes, tamang-tama. Si Barney ang bisita natin. Ay, hindi ba? Siyempre, joke lang po yun. Siyempre, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Your best friend, my best friend. Our jolliest friends. Let's give it up po. Jollibee! Wow. And Jollibee, siyempre, mag-hi ka muna sa kanilang kanta. Hi po sa inyo lahat. Jolly afternoon everyone. Siyempre, Jollibee, dahil nasa harapan ko na ang ating birthday celebrant. Bigay mo na yung gift mo. Wow, Jollibee! Hug mo naman si Jollibee. Kiss mo daw. Kiss mo daw siya. Wow! High five daw, Jollibee. Oh, syempre, Mami and Adi. But for now, Jollibee, balita ko meron kang hinanda para sa lahat. Wow, magsasayaw daw si Jollibee. Pero Jollibee, tatanungin ko muna silang lahat kung gusto ka ba nila makitang sumayaw. Gusto niyo po bang makitang sumayaw si Jollibee? Mas energy! Gusto niyo bang makitang sumayaw si Jollibee? Ayun, but for now, isang malakas na palakpakan naman para kay Jollibee and friends.
Sumasayaw sa tuwa, ganyan your shoulder. Jollibee says, touch your knees. Jollibee says, get the cup! Get! Come on. Ayan, okay, very good. Ayan, okay, Jollibee says, return the cup. Balik yung baso, balik. Balik din sa pwesto, Pogi. Okay, kids, move backward tayo. Kids, move backward bago ang lahat. Okay, kids, for our next game is what we call the Jollibee Says. Okay, practice na tayo sa English, kaya natin to. Okay, everybody, look at Kuya Arvin. When I say Jollibee Says, touch your head. You're going to touch the head. Touch the head. Japanese yata ito natin. Okay, Jollibee Says, touch your shoulder. Jollibee Says, touch your knees. Jollibee Says, touch your toes. Yun, very good. Baby boy, nasa ano tayo? Toes na toes. Bitaw mo yung head. Jollibee Says, touch your head. Head. Baby boy, look at Kuya Ayen. Tanggalin mo yan, tanggal. Look at Kuya Ayen. Touch your head. Yung naglalaro kasi doon ay gusto niya makilaro eh. Okay. Jollibee Says, touch your shoulder. Jollibee Says, touch your knees. Jollibee Says, touch your toes. When I say Jollibee Says, get the cup, you're going to get the cup. But for now, one player, one cup. Okay, kids? Isang baso, isang player, ha? Mamaya, isa lang yung matitirang baso. Okay, practice tayo. Jollibee Says, touch your shoulder. Jollibee Says, touch your knees. Jollibee Says, touch your toes. Jollibee Says, touch your head. Jollibee Says, touch your shoulder. Jollibee Says, touch your head. Naghahanap ako sa pag-ganon eh. Jollibee Says, touch your shoulder. Jollibee Says, touch your knees. Jollibee Says, get the cup! Thank you so much. Ito sila naman. Yes! Thank you so much, baby girl. Ayan, okay. Pwesto ka dito, baby boy. No. Jollibee Says, return the cup. Ayan, okay. Bawas ng isang baso. Jollibee Says, touch your head. Jollibee Says, touch your shoulder. Jollibee Says, touch your knees. Jollibee Says, touch your toes. Touch your head. Touch your shoulder. Touch your knees. Touch your shoulder. Touch your head. Jollibee Says, get the cup! Thank you so much, baby boy. Ayan, Jollibee Says, return the cup. Kayong tatla, tara dito. Punta kayo dito tatla. Come on. Dito kayong tatla, ha? Harap ka dito, harap ka kay Kuya Ayen. Dito ka, baby girl. Dito ka sa kabila. Pusod ka naman dito, baby girl. Ikaw sa gitna. Okay. Look at the cup in 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Look at Kuya Arvin na. Turn around na. Come on. Jollibee Says, touch your head. Jollibee Says, touch your shoulder. Jollibee Says, touch your knees. Jollibee Says, touch your shoulder. Jollibee Says, syempre, close your eyes. Okay. Bawal dumilat, just close your eyes. Jollibee Says, open your eyes. Jollibee Says, get the cup! Thank you so much, ate. Thank you. Ayan, Jollibee Says, return the cup. Ito yung kambal niya sa tulad niya ka. Kambal nga ba? Ay, Diyos ko, kala mo. Ay, lagot. Ratang dito, kahit na naman. Yung cute na may kambal. Okay, syempre, isa lang sa inyo yung mananalo, ha? Okay. Baka walang mag-aaway, ha? Pero bibigyan naman parehas ng prize, okay? Okay, look at the cup. Look at Kuya Arvin. Turn around. Jollibee Says, touch your head. Jollibee Says, touch your shoulder. Jollibee Says, touch your knees. Jollibee Says, touch your shoulder. Jollibee Says, touch your head. Jollibee Says, find the cup. Okay, hanapin daw ang baso. Bibigyan ko kayo ng clue. Yung baso nasa stage lang. Dali! Nasa stage yung baso. Hanapin nyo. Ayan, nandyan lang. 10. Hanapin nyo. 9. Paunahan na. 8. 7. Ayun na tinitignan nyo na. 6. 5. 4. Iyon! Siyempre, dalawa ngayong winner. Yan. Okay. Picture kayo dalawa. Picture. Picture kayo kasama si Adi. Picture. Picture. I smile. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, thank you so much. High five tayo, kambal. Ayan, very good. Ngayon, mami, wait lang. Ibalik ka lang natin ulit. Ayan, thank you so much, baby girl. Na smile. Ayan, 1. Baby boy, tingin ka dun, baby boy. Baby boy. Dun. Boy. Ayun, doon ka tingin, baby boy. Ayan, okay. Ayun, natulala eh. May naglalaro kasi dito, may nakatingin. Okay. Thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy and Adi. Maaari nyo muna pong pasyalan ang inyong mga bisita. Ayan, maglalaro lang kami dito ng ating mga kids. Ayan, kids, maglalaro tayo dito. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Dito.
Okay, ready?
Alessi!
Smile. Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3. High five daw, Jollibee. High five. Yun dito, sa baba. Jollibee. Sa baba. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Number 1.
One!
One na, 1. Ayan, thank you very much.
One.
Sa lahat ng kids. Pwede na tayo bumalik kila Mami and kila Daddy. Ayan, sa lahat po ng tinatawagan mo po yung lahat ng pinsan ni Adi dito po sa harap. Sila na rin po lahat. Ayan, next naman natin yung mga lolos and lolas ni Adi. Nandiyan po yung ibang lolo and lola ni Adi. Adi, smile! High five daw, Jollibee, high five! Wow! Ayan, thank you very much po. Yes! Picture muna daw, Jollibee. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ayan, sa gitna daw, sa gitna.